Happy Friday, everybody. Meteorologist Andrew Stutzky here as we look into your Friday forecast along with the upcoming weekend. Some of the things we're tracking here: remaining cool, still trying to find some average temperatures and a little bit of summer before we sneak out of August here. The upcoming weekend, half of it looking dry, the other half looking a little bit wet as some rain chances move back in. And we'll continue a couple rain chances even as we head into early next week. The big story this weekend in terms of weather will be Hurricane Harvey, as it is a Category 2 storm, likely going to be upgraded to a Category 3 before making landfall just outside of Corpus Christi, Texas, sometime very early on Saturday, or Saturday afternoon rather. Looking at winds of 110 miles per hour, and it's barely moving out of the northwest at about 10 miles per hour. The big story with this storm will not only be the winds, but the torrential rainfall, as this storm, as you can see on the forecast track, is basically just going to sit over the southeastern Texas coast, could potentially dump up to 30 inches of rainfall in some spots. So a very dire situation if you do have any family, relatives, or interests along the southeast Texas coast. Make sure that everyone is heeding evacuation orders, as this will be a devastating natural disaster, likely especially as we go into the weekend. We're not going to see too much effects from that, and we'll take a look at that in the forecast here in just a moment. But first, heading out to Friday Night Football tonight. It is a warm start for us, still in the 70s at 6, but notice we quickly drop into those 60s again right after sunset. 8 o'clock, we're already down to 64, and by 10 o'clock, 60 degrees. So you'll want that jacket if you're heading out tonight. It will be a little bit on the chilly side. Thankfully, winds will remain light and conditions dry. Looking for middle 70s for our forecast high today. Partly cloudy skies. A little bit more clouds in the afternoon, though. And we'll repeat that same scenario for our Saturday with mostly cloudy skies. Finally getting our temperatures a little bit closer to that 80-degree mark. Chances for showers and thunderstorms arriving on Sunday into Monday. Hopefully getting some needed rainfall out of that, because, again, we are very dry. Maybe a leftover shower possible for Tuesday as the weather pattern kind of slows down a bit, but it does get us back into some warmth, looking for 80s to return in dry conditions by the time we head into the middle of next week. Enjoy your weekend.